have an attack animation I like to use for a game. Here's what it looks like as a GIF, which is nice, but I don't want this black background. Unfortunately, GIFs requires every pixel to be occupied, and thus does not support transparency. If I go into Photoshop and bring up the timeline tool and remove the background and export this out as an animated GIF, and we will see now when I play this GIF, it does not look like how I like it to look. To achieve animated images with transparency, we'll be using APNG or animated PNGs. This is a type of PNG file that supports animation and transparency. Animated PNGs have actually been around for quite a long time and is supported in most major browsers. To create an animated PNG with Photoshop, go up to File and Export. Instead of Save for Web Legacy, we'll go to Render Video. Here, we'll choose the name where we want to save our sequence of images, which is what we're doing. And we'll choose PNG for our format. And under Render Options, we're going to set this to straight unmatted. You also have the option to change the resolution. And then we'll hit Render. This will take every layer and turn it into a single PNG image. We'll use this sequence of images with a program called Animated PNG Assembler. I have a link in the description below for this program. It's free and lightweight. When we open it up, and I have my folder of image sequences, I'll just drag all of these images and drag it into this program. We have some playback options, such as playing infinitely or setting a number of loops. I'll have it play infinitely. Hit OK. And I'll save this under my animated PNG folder and call it APNG. And we'll make animated PNG. Depending on the number of files and the resolution, this can take a bit of time. And it's complete. I'll go ahead and actually rename it Attack. And notice that it still has the PNG file format. But if I drag this image into the browser, we see that it's animated. The file format can either be PNG or APNG, but I stick with just PNG file for compatibility. And this file is otherwise just a regular PNG that can be viewed in any image viewer or editor. However, not all programs support playing back the animated image. Most browsers do support the animated PNG format, and you can look at the support here and see that all the major browsers support animated PNG. As mentioned earlier, Animated PNG Assembler is a free program that you can use to create animated PNGs. There's also a web tool such as easygif.com where you can make animated PNGs as well.